We know globally that we have a plastic pollution problem. While there are countless organizations and people around the world that are doing their part to combat this issue, there's still a significant amount of material that has not been removed. These are called microplastics. We saw this as an issue and created SEED. SEED is a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to providing education and technology to people around the world to help solve this issue. At SEED, we created a buoyancy separation device to help us remove these extremely small microplastics.
So the plastics float to the surface and the sand falls to the bottom of the device. And then the plastics on the top of the water, they will wash into the basin of the wheelbarrow and stay there until we can sift them out and collect them.
Not only are we capturing the plastics, we're capturing the natural material too. So we discovered a new scientific method that allows us to separate the natural and synthetic material. We call that a trash time machine. The trash time machine significantly speeds up the process by which nature waterlogs the natural material. We do this by using a vacuum pump and a vacuum chamber to remove the air from the cells of the natural material and force water into its place. That natural material sinks, and then we can take those plastics and analyze how much is accumulating on our shores. The plastics in the future can then be used to help our communities in many ways.
I'm Jennifer Lynch, and I find myself here now in Hawaii as the co-director of the Center for Marine Debris Research, which is a research center at Hawaii Pacific University. Scaling up the buoyancy separator device and the trash time machine to be something that can be used efficiently at a larger scale across an entire beach could really help clean up Hawaiian beaches, I see, and maybe beaches across the globe.
We know that ocean cleanup technology is critical in helping remove this material. But at SEED, we believe that education is a pathway towards creating innovation.
I think it's important that students learn about global issues such as microplastics in our world. And I think it's important that they work together with organizations such as SEED to actually make a difference in their own community.
Our engineering teacher, Mr. KUNIHIRO, he made us take all the pieces apart from the wheelbarrow and all the parts of the machine, and then he made us rebuild it all over again. It was hard, but also fun, just working all together and practicing our teamwork.
I think the coolest part about the journey with SEED and with Sophia and Lucas was that they took an idea and pulled in basically the community, the whole community at Haheoni and beyond, and it translated into getting recognized at the Senate. And I'm just in awe that we can make a difference if we work together.
Our vision is to plant a seed at every coastal country and community around the world. Through education and technology, we aim to create a more sustainable future for us and generations to come.